Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Open Settings and set your default keyboard so changes apply. This matters because some tweaks affect only the active app. Once done, reduce display size or font size to increase keyboard real estate, then update or reinstall the keyboard app to apply fixes and rule out bugs. Make sure to reboot after updates to clear cached layout settings. This prevents the app from using an older, smaller layout. Now adjust the keyboard's internal settings to change size and behavior. In the keyboard app settings, choose layout or height and increase to a comfortable percentage or custom slider. This directly controls key size. If you struggle reaching keys, enable one-handed or split layout, which enlarges target keys. Once adjusted, clear the keyboard cache or data if the layout doesn't update. Backing up your personal dictionary first preserves custom words. These steps fix app-level constraints and finish by confirming system-level fixes and a key troubleshooting tip. Install any Android updates because display or DPI changes from OS updates can alter keyboard scale. Test a different keyboard app to see if the problem is app-specific. If the alternate app looks normal, you've isolated the issue. If changes still fail, reset system settings, not a full factory reset, to restore display and input defaults. Troubleshooting tip: if layouts remain wrong after everything, capture a screenshot and contact support with specifics and device model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.